Pixelmator Pro versus Adobe Lightroom. Choosing the right photo editor can completely change how you enhance your images without struggling with complex tools. We'll take a quick look at both to help you decide which fits your creative workflow better. Pixelmator Pro and Adobe Lightroom are powerful photo editors with distinct approaches. Pixelmator Pro focuses on intuitive, layer-based editing and creative flexibility, while Lightroom excels in streamlined photo management and professional-grade raw processing. Pixelmator Pro is a macOS exclusive photo editor designed for users who want a blend of powerful editing tools and an approachable interface. It works by combining non-destructive editing with a layer-based system similar to Photoshop, allowing detailed adjustments and creative compositions. Its strengths lie in offering advanced retouching, painting, and graphic design features alongside machine learning enhancements for tasks like upscaling and automatic adjustments. Pixelmator Pro supports a wide range of formats and integrates seamlessly with Apple technologies including Metal for fast performance. However, it lacks the robust photo organization and cataloging system found in some competitors, which might limit workflow efficiency for photographers managing large libraries. The ideal user is a creative professional or enthusiast who values artistic control, detailed edits, and prefers working on Mac with a single app that combines editing and design. Adobe Lightroom is a comprehensive photo editing and management tool favored by professional photographers and serious hobbyists. It operates primarily as a non-destructive raw processor with powerful organizational features including keyword tagging, collections, and cloud syncing across devices. Lightroom's strengths are in its streamlined editing workflow, precise color correction, and batch processing capabilities that speed up handling large photo libraries. It offers advanced tools like lens correction, noise reduction, and selective adjustments, all within a clean, user-friendly interface. Lightroom's limitations include a subscription-based pricing model and less flexibility for pixel-level editing or graphic design compared to layer-based editors. The ideal user is a photographer or content creator who needs efficient cataloging and consistent high-quality raw processing across multiple platforms with collaboration and cloud access built in. When comparing Pixelmator Pro and Lightroom, the choice depends on your priorities. Pixelmator Pro excels in creative freedom with layers and graphic tools, making it perfect for artists and designers who want to combine photo editing with digital painting or compositing. Lightroom shines in organizing and processing large photo collections, ideal for photographers who prioritize speed, consistency, and cloud syncing. If you work mainly on Mac and want an all-in-one creative tool, Pixelmator Pro offers more artistic control. Conversely, if managing thousands of photos with easy access across devices is key, Lightroom's ecosystem and features provide a smoother experience. The trade-off is between advanced creative editing versus professional photo management and raw processing. Choose Pixelmator Pro if you want a versatile Mac-only app that combines photo editing with creative design and detailed pixel-level control. Lightroom is the better choice for photographers needing powerful photo organization, consistent raw processing, and cloud-based workflows across devices. Both tools serve different needs, so consider your editing style and workflow to pick the photo editor that truly enhances your creative process.